Close your eyes and picture this. You're holding a familiar McDonald's burger. The aroma fills the air, your taste buds are tingling. You think you know this burger inside and out, that you understand everything about this iconic food? Are you really that sure? Ask yourself, what creates the unbelievably consistent flavor of a McDonald's burger, whether you're in glamorous New York, bustling Tokyo, or right here at home? Could there be a secret hidden beneath that golden brown bun? Imagine a colossal system serving over 69 million customers daily across the globe. How do they maintain perfect quality down to the last detail, ensuring every burger you get is delicious, perfectly balanced, never changing? Today, we're not just stopping at enjoying it. We're going to tear back the familiar wrapping, infiltrate deep behind the scenes of the McDonald's empire. We're going to uncover the truth behind those mysterious factories, where cutting-edge technology and top-secret processes blend together, creating every single burger you hold in your hand. Are you ready to open your eyes to something new? Are you prepared to see McDonald's in a completely different light? I'm convinced that what you're about to witness will leave you astonished, maybe even shocked. Welcome to a journey of uncovering culinary mysteries on Foodcraft Secrets. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on inside a McDonald's factory, the quest to decode the million-dollar burger. Join me as we step into a world you've never seen and discover the wonders hidden within the familiar burger. To begin the journey of conquering taste buds, McDonald's understands the need to build a solid foundation, a perfect start. And that is the soft, delicious bun, seemingly simple, yet hiding an entire art form. Take a look inside McDonald's modern bun factories. Everything unfolds like a perfectly programmed dance. Giant machines operate rhythmically, precise to the millimeter, from the amount of flour, water, to the proofing time and oven temperature. Not a single error is allowed. Witness white, fine dough pieces being kneaded, transforming into round, adorable buns. Then, gradually, rising in the oven, turning a captivating golden brown, releasing a mouth-watering aroma that awakens every sense. And here's the secret that highlights the McDonald's bun. Workers' hands skillfully brush a layer of golden egg wash onto the bun surface, then evenly sprinkle pure white sesame seeds. Just a touch of sophistication, enough to create the signature softness and perfect appearance of the bun. But the magic doesn't stop there. McDonald's also applies cutting-edge preservation technology, packaging buns in a vacuum, sterile environment, so that no matter where you enjoy your burger, the bun retains its softness, deliciousness as if fresh from the oven. So there you have it. The perfect foundation of a McDonald's burger is created from meticulousness, advanced technology, and a love for food. A small bun, yet containing a big story. If the bun is the foundation, then beef is the heart, the soul of the McDonald's burger. And McDonald's has made a powerful declaration. Using only 100% pure beef, no compromise, no blending, no additives, no fillers. An absolute choice for absolute quality. To protect that declaration, McDonald's has built an inviolable quality control fortress. Every slab of premium beef must overcome countless challenges, numerous rigorous inspections. From color, texture, smell, to nutritional content, everything must reach perfection. Witness the whirlwind of industrial meat grinders liberating power in a spectacular display. Sharp blades rotate at breakneck speed, transforming tons of fresh beef into a torrent of fine ground meat, flowing ceaselessly. And here, the secret to creating the globally addictive McDonald's beef flavor. Just salt and pepper, two familiar spices, but in McDonald's hands, they become flavor wizards. Minimalist to the point of sophistication, simple to the point of perfection, that is McDonald's philosophy. After being seasoned, the ground beef is pressed into shape by automated machines, creating perfectly round patties, flawless in every detail. Then immediately, they are placed in a super-speed freezing system, a miracle that helps freeze time, preserving the full freshness and natural flavor of the beef. The secret lies in premium beef quality, an inviolable control process, and cutting-edge preservation technology. Beef is the soul, the heart of the McDonald's burger. To make the burger even more appealing and nutritious, McDonald's always prioritizes fresh green vegetables and crisp pickles. Vegetables after harvesting are put into an automated cleaning system using high-pressure water. This technology helps remove all impurities while preserving the natural freshness completely. The secret to McDonald's pickles always being crisp and crunchy lies in a special brine solution. After being thinly sliced, the cucumbers are soaked in this solution to maintain their crispness and extend their shelf life. Thanks to advanced preservation technology, McDonald's greens and pickles always retain their bright color and perfect crispness, even when you take your burger home. That's why the vegetables in a McDonald's burger are always as fresh as if just picked from the garden. McDonald's not only built a chain of restaurants, but also etched an icon, a stature in the hearts of billions worldwide. And the soul of that stature is none other than their famous sauces, especially the legendary McDonald's ketchup. To create the legend known as McDonald's ketchup, they start with tomatoes selected most rigorously. Only the ripest, reddest, flawless tomatoes are allowed to enter the secret processing procedure. The spice formula of McDonald's ketchup is a national secret, strictly protected through generations. Only a small group of experts are entrusted with the mission of preserving and perfecting this formula. They've spent hundreds of research hours experimenting to achieve the perfect balance between the sweetness of ripe tomatoes, the tangy acidity of vinegar, and the mysterious aroma of secret spices. Not only ketchup, McDonald's mustard sauce also carries its own unique mark, unmistakable. Made from pure mustard seeds, ground and fermented according to a special recipe, McDonald's mustard sauce delivers a pungent flavor that's charmingly, powerfully stimulating to the taste buds. Those ketchup and mustard bottles bearing the McDonald's logo are not just ordinary sauce bottles. They are symbols, the stature of a global brand. They contain within them intangible value, culinary essence, and the trust of millions worldwide. So, we've just unveiled the secrets behind the familiar McDonald's burger. It's not just fast food, but a crystallization of technology, quality, meticulousness, and a love for food. A perfect system where everything is calculated down to the last detail to bring you a timeless culinary experience. What impressed you most on this journey of discovery? Has your perception of McDonald's changed after watching this video? Please share your feelings and thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video captivating and informative, don't forget to give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel to join me in exploring more fascinating culinary mysteries. Thank you for joining Foodcraft Secrets.